आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Takademita, ta takademita, ta takademita, takitata, ta takitatenata, takitata, tirigata, takademita, ta takademita, ta takademita, takitata, ta takitatenata, takitata, tirigata, takademita, ta takademita, ta takademita, takitata, ta takitatenata, takitata, tirigata.
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवानि वन्दित महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटिप्रकाशं शारदम् महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटिप्रकाशं शारदम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषकवाहनमोदकप्रियं स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवानि
भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्र तारादीप्तं नमः सात्विकम्
Good morning, ABV. Today is a wonderful day. It's the Junior Award Ceremony. The year round, when we faced a lot of difficulties by staying at home, by sitting glued in front of the PCs or laptops or gadgets, we did not stop from conducting activities and nor did you stop from doing them. Hope you enjoyed doing all the activities and taking part in all the competitions that we had the year gala, and all of you had a great time while participating in it. So today is the day when, after such a lot of hard work and time invested, we need to award all those who did exceptionally good. Of course, all of you did good, but those who did exceptionally good have to be awarded. So this award ceremony is going to celebrate the wonderful efforts all of you have taken, and I would like to extend a special thanks to the parents too, because they were perseverant, they were resilient and very cooperative and helpful with the ABV staff and family for having helped you children to make it big for today's event. Hope you have a great time, one happy, wonderful award ceremony, and this award ceremony is a part of our Founders Week celebration. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
morning to one and all today. Today is all about our young achievers of AVV. I think these children deserve a huge round of applause even before I begin. I say this because this year, in spite of pandemic situations which have been very challenging, they have remained eager and enthusiastic participants in the various academic and co-curricular areas. They have grown exponentially in so many different ways. Children, I need to tell you how proud we are of you today. You are all incredibly special children as you have learned more, worked harder, accepted challenges to achieve your dreams, and I am sure you're aspiring to reach new heights in the future. You have started making your mark in life today. And now, a word of encouragement to all our other participants and children who are not going to be recipients of awards today. It is more important to be a participant. All participants are achievers too. It is very necessary in life to try. Learn to compete not with others but yourself. Work on your strengths. Do meditation, do yoga, and try to focus on self. Because the very mantra of life is practice, practice, and practice till you perfect or achieve your goals. More important in life is to have a goal. They can be just little goals like participating in drawing or being the best at essay writing, etc. But even just being a good student of whom both parents and teachers can be proud is a great achievement. So start believing that I can and never indulge in believing I can't. As teachers and parents, we are always worried as to what our children will become tomorrow. In this process, we forget he is someone today and is trying. So today, let us appreciate and applaud for all our children and for all their efforts. Parents and teachers too have invested a lot of time and energy to groom our little children and equip them with lifelong skills. They have helped them in the journey to achieve their goals, and they have molded them into be great humans and leaders of the future. Congratulations once again to all our parents and teachers too for their continuous efforts. And thank you, Purnima ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to encourage and motivate our little ones. It is great to see our children blossom into confident young achievers today. Thank you.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the darker night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces Oh, people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They are really saying, "I love you." I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They will learn much more than I will ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
A very good morning to all. It is with great pleasure that we are going to celebrate the achievements of our students. Education is about far more than happens inside the four walls of the classroom. And certainly, one of the joys of teaching is drawing that academic, creative, enterprising, sporting potential out of the students. The school is delighted to see their hard work rewarded and they wait with bated breath as their achievements are read out today. Anand Vidya Vihar is a unique venture which was started in the year 2000. It is a progressive school where learning is facilitated through co curricular activities by a team of qualified and dedicated teachers. Srimati Savitaben Amin, the founder member of Anand Balwadi, was an educationist who worked closely with children. She was a dreamer and a pragmatic person at the same time, and has been the stalwart who continues to enlighten, guide, and encourage the AVV team to better themselves in every stride. I now turn to achievements from group participations in competitions and events, from individual performances to events and opportunities that enhance the learning experiences offered to the students. Children can always find joy in the small things. Catching butterflies, building blanket forts, swinging so high on the swings that it looks like they want to touch the sky. It doesn't take much for a kid to be thoroughly satisfied with life. Did you know that childhood is the only time in our lives when insanity is not only permitted but expected? As Lewis Carroll said, I would give all wealth that years have piled, the slow result of life's decay, to be once more a little child for one bright summer day. Now, without any further ado, I would like to start with the lower classes, that is, class 1. Fancy dress competition in English. The first position goes to Class 1A. The first position is bagged by Nishi Kapadia. Second position, Janil Patel. Third position, Mahi Vadani. And Class 1B, first position, H.C. Doshi. Second position, Khushi Patil. Third position, Arnav Arya. Class 1C, the first position goes to Falak Gandhi. Second position, Purvi Jaroli. Third position, Vihan Patel. In Hindi, वस्तु विवरण प्रतियोगिता. Class 1A, first position bagged by Hiyanshi Doshi. Second position, Arid Bhavsar. Third position, Darsh Rabadia. Consolation prize goes to Nishi Kapadia. Class 1B, first position, Navika. Second, Vanshika Gandhi. Third, Kshitij Upadhyay. Consolation prize, Praneeth Dave. Class 1C, First position Purvi Jaroli. Second position Manav Shah. Third Nayana Sharma. And consolation Jyot Waghela. Wonderful performances, children. Keep it up. Now for mathematics. Maths quiz competition. First position Arunendra Baghel, Fund C. Second position Navika 1B. Third position Mihira Pathak 1B. Consolation prize Arohi Damal 1A. Hiyansh Doshi 1C. Science ABV Master Chef competition. Class 1A Nishi Kapadia gets the first position. Arohi Damal second position, and the third position is bagged by Hiyanshi Doshi. And the consolation prize goes to Mahi Vadani. Class 1B, first position H.C. Doshi, second position Rajwant Chanana, third position Vihan Tripathi. And the consolation prize goes to Khushi Patil. Class 1C, first position Manav Shah, second position Yashvi Patel, and the third position is bagged by Stavya Bhatt. Now, next category is in English of class 2 show and tell competition. Class 2A, first position goes to Adya Chudasama, second position Arham Shah, third position Vihan Patel. Class 2B, first position goes to Utsavi Lodhia, second position Viha Bhavsar, third position Krishiv Patel. Class 2C, the first position goes to Ishita Agarwal, second position Evelyn John, third position Bhanuja Sembal. And in Hindi, Ek Patriya Abhinay Pratiyogita. Class 2A, the first position Yagna Patel, second position Adya Chudasama, third position Ahana Vashisht, and the consolation prize goes to Mishika Desai Hansini Gupta. Class 2B, first position Anandita Tripathi, second position Utsavi Lodhia, third position Viha Bhavsar, and the consolation prizes go to Arna Vadodia and Arya Gandhi. Class 2C, first position Ishita Agarwal, second position Heath Lodhia, third position Bhanuja Sembal. Consolation prizes go to Evelyn John and Rishita Patel. Congratulations to all the students. And now for mathematics, maths game housey. First position Ishita Agarwal 2C, second position Heath Lodhia 2C, third position Naisha Surana 2C, and the consolation prizes Khanak Bhavani 2B. Now for the computer IT quiz. First position Ansh Patel 2B, second position Heath Lodhia 2C, third position Mishka Desai 2A. And the consolation prizes Agna Patel 2A, Prathamesh Pradhan 2C, Bhanuja Semwal 2C. Now for the science role play competition. Class 2A, first position is bagged by Yagna Patel, second Aradhya Sawant, third Ahana Vashisht, and the consolation prize goes to Lavanya Raj. Class 2B, first position Anandita Tripathi, second Khush Desai, third Arya Gandhi, and the consolation prize goes to Krishiv Patel. Class 2C, first position Heath Lodhia, second position Ishita Agarwal, third position Evelyn John, and the consolation prizes go to Naisha Surana. Well done all of you. Keep it up. Class 3. English, show and tell competition. Class 3A, first position to Kanak Kapadia, second position Soumya Raval, third position Hansini Parikh. Class 3B, first position Pranshi Patel, second position Arya Patel, third position Shreya Chakravarti. And from class 3C, first position goes to Hiya Jadhav, second position Rishi Parikh, and the third position Sanvi Bhajiar. And for Hindi, Vigyapan Pratiyogita, class 3A, first position Kanak Kapadia, second position Hansini Parikh, third position Vinha and Vanhi Makadia. Class 3B, first position Pranshi Patel, second position Viana Jain, third position Krishe Shah. Class 3C, first position goes to Hiya Jadhav, second position Arnav Patel, third position Diya Borade. For mathematics coding decoding competition, first position goes to Pranshi Patel 3B, Swara Shah 3B. Second position to Viona Jain 3B. And the third position goes to Krishe Shah 3B and Hiyan Patel 3C. Social Studies Project Making, our state. Class 3A, the first position is bagged by Dhairya Patel. Second position Hansini Parikh. Third position Neville Pethani. Class 3B, the first position goes to Sparsh Sharma. Second position Viona Jain. Third position Adira George. Class 3C, first position Arnav Patel. Second position Hiya Jadhav. Third position Jan Buch. Science role play competition. Class 3A, first position to Hansini Parikh, second position Kanak Kapadia, third position Atharva Mishra, and the consolation prize goes to Aditi Bora. Class 3B, first position to Arya Patel, second position Viona Jain, third position Sparsh Sharma. Class 3C, first position Arnav Patel, second position Hiya Jadhav, third position Rishi Parikh. Now for the computer tux paint competition. First position to Viona Jain 3B, second position Kanak Kapadia 3A and Arnav Patel 3C. Third position Hiya Jadhav 3C, Trisha Sapre 3C. Consolation prize goes to Yatarth Modia 3C, Vani Makadia 3A. Thank you. It is often said that the learning phase is the best phase in life, as we get to spend our time getting to know a lot of new things in the field that we always loved. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. So I congratulate all the students for their achievements, and I hope they keep it up. Well done, all of you. Thank you.
महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्त घर मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्त घर मन की भोली सी आशा
अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे। भले कोई मंच न दे हमको, हम मंच अपना बना लेंगे। जो कहते खुद को सितारा है, जगमगा कर उनके सामने ही चमक कर देंगे उनकी फीकी और सूरज खुद को बना लेंगे। With this, I move on to the next category. Class 4. English Poetry Competition. In Class 4A, the first position is bagged by Huzwak Mukaddam. Second position goes to Shivam Dalal. Third position, Palash Kothari. Class 4B, first position, Priyam Thakkar and Arav Ratanji. Second position, Jasvi Patel. Third position, Yaj Shah. And in Hindi, Kavita Path Pratyogita. Class 4A, first position, Harshvardhan Singh. Second position, Palash Kothari. Third position, Rutva Patel. And the consolation prizes go to Shivam Dalal and Ekansh Abani. Class 4B, first position to Vansh Pathak. Second position, Yaj Patel. Third position, Sanvi Pathak. And the consolation prizes go to Vibhor Pandit and Jasvi Patel. Now in mathematics, logic stand math quiz competition. Class 4A, first position to Shanvi Shah, second position Diti Waghela, third position Arav Shah. Science role play. Class 4A, first position is bagged by Jasvi Patel, second position Arav Ratanji, third position Vansh Pathak. Social studies, project work. Class 4A, first position to Arin Shrimali, second position Abhijay Mahapatra, third position Shanvi Shah. Class 4B, first position to Bharvi Pujari, second position Chinmay Punjot, third position Dviti Gandhi. Now in computers, tux paint competition. Class 4A and B combined, first position to Palash Kothari, second position Priyam Thakkar and Yaj Shah, third position Prerit Amin, Dishi Lalwani, and the consolation prizes go to Meera Mehta and Rutva Patel. Now to Class 5B, English Poetry Competition. Class 5A, first position goes to Arya Nanavati, second position Radha Patel, third position Tisya Vyas. Class 5B, first position Param Chauhan, Second position, Yashvi Kedaria. Third position, Hetvi Mewada. Now in Hindi, Bhashan Pratiyogita. Class 5A. First position, Radha Patel. Second, Yajurva Rajiguru and Shivang Solanki. Third position, Fagunna Kum. Class 5B. First position, Param Chauhan. Second position, Bhavanshu Vinod and Mahi Tolani. Third position to Sai Garath. Mathematics. Logic Stand Math Quiz Competition. Class 5A. First position, Tisya Vyas. Class 5A. Yet again, second position goes to Ritisha. Third position to Bhavanshu Vinod. Science. Best out of waste. Class 5A and B. First position, Naman Kumar, Param Chauhan, and second position, Dhanvi Trivedi. Third position, Radha Patel. And the consolation prize goes to Kavya Bhavsar and Yashvi Kedaria. Social Studies Project Work. Class 5A, first position to Niyati Hindocha. Second position, Eth Rao. Third position, Vansh Suthar. Class 5B. First position goes to Janvi Parmar. Second position, Vatsal Doshi. Third position, Veer Shah. And the consolation prize goes to Charvi Nair and Arya Suthar. Computers. Poster making. Class 5A. First position, Radha Patel. Second position, Arya Nanavati. And the third position is taken by Arush Patel and Jia Shah. Computers, certificate designing. Class 5AB combined. First position goes to Hetvi Mewada. Second position to Bhavanshu Vinod and Radha Patel. Third position, Param Chauhan. And the consolation prize goes to Rom Dholakia and Jwaldeep Kataria. And now the computer IT quiz, class 5, first position to Bhavanshu Vinod. And with this, we move on to class 6, English elocution. The first position goes to Jagvi Chaya, second position Shikha Dholakia, and third position Priyansh Desai and Shriya Vachani. Class 6B, first position goes to Misri Patel, second position Hiya Desai, Avika Patel, third position Ridhima Singhal, and Hindi Ek Patriya Abhinay. Class 6A, first position Shikha Dholakia, second position Nandini Jhaveri, third position Tanay Yagnik, Vritika Shah. Consolation prizes go to Maitri Panchal and Veer Patel. Class 6B. First position goes to Ananya Nair. Second position Misri Patel and Arushi Sangvi. Third position Hiya Desai, Nishka Shah. Consolation prize Navya Dave and Karma Patel. Now we move on to mathematics, doodles with digits. Class 6B. First position, Athna Singh. Second position, Nishka Shah. And third position to Arushi Sangvi. Mathematics. Maths quiz competition. Class 6AB. First position, Riya Parikh. Second position, Dhairya Singh Khati. And third position, Het Petani. Mathematics. Tangram storytelling competition. Class 6AB combined. First position goes to Misri Patel. Second position Arushi Sangovi. And third position Priyansh Desai. And the consolation prize goes to Jia Shah. Now in science poster making competition. Class 6A. First prize is taken by Tanay Yagnik. Second prize Moksha Patel. Third prize to Jagvi Chaya. And the consolation prize goes to Vritika Shah. Class 6B. First position goes to Smith Matthews. Second position, Hiya Desai. Third position, Avika Patel. And the consolation prize goes to Misri Patel. Social Studies, Social Awareness Advertisement. Class 6A. First position, Shikha Dholakia. Second position, Nandini Jhaveri. Third position, Priyansh Desai. And the consolation prize goes to Krishna Priya and Swara Divecha. Class 6B. First position to Arushi Sanghavi. Second position, Misri Patel. Third position, Hiya Desai. And consolation prize to Ridhima Singhal. Social Studies, Eco-Friendly Ganpati Idol Making. Class 6AB combined, Nishka Shah, Kashish Mittal and Jagvi Chaya. And now in computer PPT presentation. Class 6AB combined, first position to Ridhima Singhal, second position Nandini Jhaveri and Jagvi Chaya, third position to Hiya Desai and Misri Patel. Yet again computer IT quiz. Prize goes to, the second position is bagged by Shikha Dholakia and third position is bagged by Samarth Vaidya.
રૂડું રૂપાળું છે તમારો પાડ નહીં ભૂલું બેના
જેને જેને ઉપકાર માનવા હોય પછી માનજો બાપા પહેલા ઢોલ વગાડો ભાડાઓને અફીણી લાગે ને એવી ગરબાની તલબ લાગી છે
To be a champion, I think you have to see the big picture. It's not about winning and losing. It's about everyday hard work and about thriving on a challenge. It's about embracing the pain that you will experience at the end of a race and not being afraid. In the words of Louis Pasteur, let me tell you the secret that has led me to my goals. My strength lies solely in my tenacity. Now I begin with the winners from the in the proficiency category. English, from class 1 English, Arunendra Baghel. Communication in English, Khushi Patil. Hindi, Jyot Waghela. Communication in Hindi, Navika. English, Rudra Chite. Scientist, Arit Bhavsar. Mathematics, Namra Gandhi. Reading, Nishi Kapadia. Computer, Falak Gandhi. Western dance, Smith Rana. Classical dance, Yashvi Patel. Western music, R.V. Patel. Classical music, Nihira Pathak. Art, Darsh Rabadia. General knowledge, Navika. Versatility, Nishi Kapadia. Class 2. English, Ahana Vashish. Communication in English, Evelyn John. Hindi, Viha Bhavsar. Communication in Hindi, Anandita Tripathi. Science, Naitik Patel. Scientist, Naisha Surana. Mathematics, Heath Lodia. Reading, Ahana Vashisht. Computer, Ansh Patel. Western dance, Khush Desai. Classical dance, Utsavi Lodia. Western music, Bhanuja Semwal. Classical music, Sanvi Gaur. Art, Mishka Desai. General knowledge, Ishita Agarwal. Yet again, versatility, Adya Chudasama. Class 3. English, Tanish Brahme. Communication in English, Khanak Kapadia. Hindi, Hansini Parekh. Communication in Hindi, Hiya Jadhav. Social Studies, Arnav Patel. Science, Arnav Patel. Scientist, Pranshi Patel. Mathematics, Dhairya Patel. Reading, Biona Jain. Computer, Sparsh Sharma. Western dance, Pranshi Patel. Classical dance, Hansini Parekh. Western music, Kartike Parmar. Classical music, Gautam Mishra. Art, Arya Patel. General knowledge, Khanak Kapadia. Versatility, Hansini Parekh. Class 4. English, Huzwak Mokadam. Communication in English, Arav Ratanji. Hindi, Meera Mehta. Communication in Hindi, Harshvardhan Singh. Social Studies, Dhanashri Mehrol. Science, Dishi Lalwani. Scientist, Abhijay Mohapatra. Mathematics, Dishi Lalwani. Reading, Shriya Pancholi. Computer, Palash Kothari. Western dance, Khyati Tiwari. Classical dance, Meera Mehta. Western music, Vibhor Pandit. Classical music, Harshvardhan Singh. Art, Palash Kothari. General knowledge, Shaurya Trivedi. Versatility, Jasvi Patel. Class 5. English, Radha Patel. Communication in English, Naman Kumar. Hindi, Sai Garat. Communication in Hindi, Bhavanshu Vinod. Social Studies, Parisha. Science, Radha Patel. Scientist, Param Chauhan. Mathematics, Arya Nanavati. Reading, Radha Patel. Computer, Jwaldeep Kataria. Western dance, Yashvi Kedaria. Classical dance, Radha Patel. Western music, Janvi Parmar. Classical dance, classical music, Samyak Valunj. Art, Param Chauhan. General knowledge, Riddhi Shah. Versatility, Radha Patel. English, Mishri Patel from class 6. Communication in English, Jagvi Chaya. Hindi, Jagvi Chaya. Communication in Hindi, Misri Patel. Social Studies, Nandini Jhaveri. Science, Misri Patel. Scientist, Janish Majumdar. Mathematics, Hed Pethani. Reading, Tanay Yagnik. Computer, Hiya Desai. Western dance, Nandini Jhaveri. Classical dance, Nishka Shah. Western music, Tanay Yagnik. Classical music, Jagvi Chaya. Art, Ridhima Singhal. General knowledge, Ishika Parekh. Versatility, Jagvi Chaya. Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up. With goals so strong that obstacles, failure, and loss only act as motivation. I congratulate all the winners for the hard work and dedication they have shown in the different categories. I wish them all the best in their future endeavors. Now I would like to conclude with one of my favorite quotes by William Ernest Henley. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody, but unbowed. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Thank you so much.
Good morning to the Honorable Trustees, Dr. Devanshu Patel and Dr. Geetika Patel, Ms. Nandita Amin, respected Principal Ma'am, Reshma Ma'am, parents, teachers and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks for this event. The pandemic may have closed down physical school and prevented the physical availability of students, but it has not deterred the enthusiasm of the ever hardworking administration staff, the academic and non-academic staff, and as they say, the show must go on. First of all, I would like to thank our Principal Madam, Mrs. Purnima Menon, to have given me an opportunity to speak on this auspicious occasion, and it's a matter of honor for me. Madam Purnima Menon has been a strong motivation and a guiding force for having envisioned a virtual prize distribution ceremony and turning it into a reality. On behalf of the entire institute, I would like to thank our honorable trustees for having graced this occasion and motivating students with their presence. I take this opportunity to specially thank the previous management as well as the new management for constantly inspiring us to do better and each day and providing us with the required stimulus. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Reshma ma'am, who has contributed a lot in molding most of our children in their preparatory years and guiding them to be better versions of themselves. I would also like to thank the student committee, the technical staff, the teachers and the support staff for the complete preparation of this prize distribution ceremony as a part of the elaborate Founders Day program. In this such a short time, you have made the best arrangements for this program. Thank you wholeheartedly. Also, a heartfelt gratitude to the host of this evening, Mrs. Uma Shekhar. I am also obliged to all the parents for their cooperation and support in helping the students and the school cope up with the pandemic situation and ensuring smooth transition of academic and non-academic activities. Finally, I would like to say, it's not happiness that brings us gratitude, it's gratitude that brings us happiness. Thank you very much.